all my gorgeous, welcome back to Shivani's Boutique, and this is Hema, spreading colors globally. Right now we are in the casual week of Shivani's Boutique, and I'm going to introduce a beautiful kurti concept. It's only the kurti concept with a bit of works here and there, where we saw these in materials, and right now now into only kurti concept. And this is my first piece, and there are different sizes. This fabric is so nice and it has this tendency to shrink a little bit, so you can go for a little looser size. If it got shrink also, you can there are provisions inside where you can adjust accordingly. Go for a little looser size in this fabric, especially as now and then when you wash the fabric is so amazing. Alright, and this is the first same to same piece. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the above link which will straight away leads to the page. The second is this. These are all only kurtis. It don't have a dupatta or a pant. Alright, and sleeves are there inside if it is not without sleeves. See, this is only the top concept. It's just a casual wear with a little bit of value added concept here and there. And you can see this, such a beautiful blue color with ikat concept. Alright, this is a small size, and then comes this once again black. See this with a applique work. Alright, it's very light, so it is very easy to maintain also. And hangraka in kurti. See this. So we will be mentioning the length of the fabric and the breadth of the fabric, not the fabric, it is a stitched one. Alright, and then comes this. All are nice different collections. See this. So we have got sizes in this. You can just check out your own sizes. Be little smarter in placing your orders, especially ready-mades. Alright, this is with a beautiful collar neck. See this. So these are all casual wears, very easy to wear fabric, and these are all cottons, full printed. It has a slide. This doesn't has a side slit, especially this fabric, right, with a beautiful hand embroideries all over. And once again this. All are nice different colors, so that for you guys you can place order how many you want. See this, all nice ones, lightweight ones with a value added ones. So alright, and then this beautiful, these are all, everything comes with the sleeves inside. The sleeves will be here, okay. Please don't search for the sleeve and get panic. Alright, and this is once again a black, beautiful black with hand embroidery. So you can mix and match with any type of leggings or parallel pants, skirts or plazo pants. It's all your wish and will. Just like that, wear and go. See, this is all with real mirrors. Big mirrors. Whoever love real mirrors can go for this. And I have got one more mirror in this. See this. The colors are so nice and amazing. Alright. And then this is a very casual cotton kurti. All nice with a nice beautiful pattern. And once again this. I think in these two I don't have much sizes. I think I have only one piece in this. And see, this color is so nice and very new. It's a green, dark green color with a side slit. And see, these two are with mirrors of different colors. And then this black. Whoever love black can just grab it with a beautiful mirror. These are all real mirrors. And then this. See this. All nice ones. Alright, in these we have only kurtis. And these two are our repeats where so many were asking for this. I'll open this and show, or this I'll open and show. So sleeves are there inside. This only comes with a set wise. This is the pant. This comes with a beautiful applique work dupatta. So whoever wants this, whoever missed last time, can just go for this. Alright, and one more color is this. All nice beautiful colors. These are all casual wears. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. We'll be back with lots more new collections. Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Stay safe and bye.